Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 8th standard. In today's video, we learn multiplication of algebraic expressions. Here we have to follow two rules. First one, multiply the numerical coefficient of all the terms. Second one, multiply the variables. When we multiply the variables, if they have the same base, their power must be added. That is, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Let's multiply a monomial with monomial. Let's multiply 4x and 10xy. As we have already seen, the rule is to multiply the coefficient first, then the variables. So 4 tens are 40. X and x is to be multiplied. That will give you x square. X into x is x square. Y is only once, so you write it as it is. The next example, let's say x multiplied by 3y. Here, what is the numerical coefficient of this? If no number is written, the numerical coefficient is 1. So, 3 ones are 3. X there is only one time. Y here there is only one time. So, the answer is 3xy. The last example for multiplying monomial with monomial. Let's take x multiplied by x to the power 3. Here there is no number which is to be multiplied, or in other words it is 1 and 1 which is equal to 1. So if the numerical coefficient is 1, we usually don't write it. X multiplied by x to the power 3. That is, what do we do actually in multiplying? We add the powers, isn't it? If no power is there, it means the power is 1. Here the power is 3. So the answer will be x to the power 4. Next we'll multiply a monomial with a polynomial. If we multiply 3x with 5y plus 2. Look at this. This is a monomial. We are multiplying it with the binomial. Bi means it has to have two terms. So what we should do here is, we have to multiply it with the first term using the distributive property. You have to multiply it with the second term also. 3x is to be multiplied with 5y plus 3x is to be multiplied with 2. 5 3s are 15, x one time, y time, so it is xy plus 3 2s are 6. The variable is only x here, so it is 15xy plus 6x. Let's take one more example. A square to be multiplied with 2ab minus 5c. Now again here, using distributive property, a square is to be multiplied with 2a, then a square is to be multiplied with 5c. So a square multiplied by 2ab. That is, this is multiplied with the first term here. This should also be multiplied with the second term. Remember here the symbol is minus. So it is a square multiplied by 5c. Numerical coefficient is 2 and 1. So 2 ones are 2. A square and 1a here. So it is a to the power 3. That is 2 plus 1. B there is only one time. Minus. Here again numerical coefficient is 1. 5 ones are 5. A square and c. Next we'll multiply a monomial with trinomial. Monomial is having one term and trinomial is having 3 terms. Let's take an example. 3p multiplied by, see this is one term, so this is a monomial. 5p square plus 4p plus 7. Now this term is to be multiplied with each of this. There are 3 terms here inside each of this. So first let's multiply 3p multiplied by 5p square. This is over. Next you have plus here So put the plus sign. Now 3p is to be multiplied with the second term, that is 4p. So this is over. Next you have 7 here. Before that you have a plus sign. So 3p multiplied by 7. Numerical coefficient 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Here p to the power 1 and p to the power 2. Totally it will give you p to the power 3. Plus 4 3s are 12. P into p. P to the power 2. Plus 3p multiplied by 7. That is 7 3s are 21p. So the answer is 15p to the power 3 plus 12p to the power 2 plus 21p. Next we'll take multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. So if we take an example of x minus 4. This is a binomial, isn't it? Whether it is binomial, monomial, trinomial, everything we can categorize it under polynomial. Thus multiplied by 2x plus 3. Now we have to multiply the second expression once with x and once with 4. So first x multiplied by, x is this x here, 2x plus 3. We have written this. Next what you have here, minus 4. This minus 4 again to be multiplied with 2x plus 3. This will give you 2x square. Correct? 2. Numerical coefficient here is 1. So 2 1s are 2. X into x is x square. Plus 3 into x will give you 3x. This part 4 2s are 8 and it is a minus sign here. So minus 8x minus 4 into plus 3. 4 3s are 12. Minus into plus is minus. So minus 12. Here you have like terms. 3x and 8x. I can simplify this. 2x square plus 3x minus 8x will give you 8 minus 3 is 5x. Bigger number is 8. Its sign is negative. Again minus 12. So in your final answer, if you have like terms, you can simplify it. If I take a plus 7 multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5. A multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5. What do you have here? Plus 7. This plus 7 is to be multiplied again with this expression, that is a square plus 3a plus 5. Let's simplify this. A multiplied by a square will give you a to the power 3 or a cube. It is called as a cube. 3a multiplied by a. The same symbol here, plus 3 1s are 3. A into a is a square. 5 into a will give you 5a. Now let's come to this part. Plus 7a square, isn't it? 7a square plus 7 3s are 21. Variable is a. Here no variable. Plus 7 5s are 35. Let's see whether we have any like terms here. A cube, you have only one term. That is, we'll write it as a cube. With a square, you have one here. You have one more here. So plus 3a square plus 7a square will give you plus 10a square. 7 plus 3 is 10. A square to be written as it is in case of addition. If it is multiplication, then it will be a to the power 4. Remember that. Next you have with a, you have here two terms, isn't it? Both are plus. So 21 plus 5 will give you 26a. What about the constant? I think it is only once, isn't it? So plus 35. So this should be your answer. Again, don't get confused between a plus a and a multiplied by a. A plus a is 2a, whereas a multiplied by a is a square. One more example, 2a plus a or 2a multiplied by a. This will give you 2a plus a is 3a, 2a multiplied by a is 2a square. Try this. 2x multiplied by 3y minus 4. Second one, a plus b multiplied by a square minus 3a plus 2b. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.